Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good morning. Okay, my name is Afizuddin bin Abdul Razak. Matric number is CN244056. And first, today I want to introduce about forward reverse control circuit. Which is first, we apply the connection. We take the single phase from the power supply right here, and then connect to the MCCB, 2 pole and single pole. Firstly, we take the one wire and connect to the contactor forward. Then, if you see right here, you can see the connection is connected to the reverse, because we want to apply the forward and reverse control to the motor.
Okay, my name is Fadil Fahmi. Matrix number is CN240036. Okay, and next I will talk about circuit motor. Okay, first we on the switch. Okay, first this is forward and this is reverse. Okay, first we test the forward circuit. Okay, the green. Okay, now we will test the interlock. I will push the reverse. Okay, you see? Okay. Next, I will test the reverse. Okay, this is reverse. Okay, next. For the motor. Okay, we on the motor switch. Okay, first we try forward, reverse. Okay, for the forward. Okay. This is forward. Forward is turned into the this direction. Next, I will try the interlock. Okay, you see? Okay, next the reverse, it will turn this direction. This direction. Okay. Okay, I will test the interlock. Okay, that's it.
I want to teach you how to measure the line voltage, incoming power supply, and line voltage incoming motor, and then for phase voltage, current, inrush current, and how to check the RPM using the tachometer. First, we check the RPM using the tachometer. We put here. Okay, then we get the RPM above 1.4, and then this the measure for the RPM. Then how to check line voltage incoming power supply? First, we change the multimeter to the voltage. Make sure it on a AC condition. We take the 2 probe. We must make sure the incoming voltage are from this side. We also know the 3-phase is 415. This is the major current, major voltage. We want to check the line voltage coming to motor, which is the voltage that supplied to the motor. Then if we touch at this, we can get the major voltage for 400 voltage something. Thirdly, I want to teach you how to check the phase voltage. First, we take one port positive to the any of this voltage side. We take this side, and then negative probe to the neutral side. As you can see, we get the 244.8. Then how to check the inrush current? We switch the probe side to this, and then push the button inrush. Okay, how to check the inrush? First of all, we must stop the motor. Then we take the one any of the voltage line. As you can see, we are at off, then turn on, 0, inrush. We want to check the inrush current at first, so we must push the push stop button, which is with the forward or reverse. So I try with the forward. So as you can see, 0 ampere. So the inrush current is 8.25. then static. Okay, how to check the current? First, we push the button. Then this is the current, the ampere for second phase. Then